Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk and welcome back to my channel. So if you are returning, thanks for returning back and supporting the channel. If you are new, just stopping in, thank you so much for stopping into this channel. So in this video, I am actually going to be focusing on setting up a goal plan for the month of 2022 for January, of course. If you're interested in watching how I set this up in this digital planner, please continue to watch. All right, you guys. So if you have actually watched my Plan With Me monthly layout video, then you will already kind of know what I am setting up for the goal. So in this planner, it's a life planner, so it's not a budgeting planner. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I usually focus mostly on budgeting. I have in the past put in some, Plan with means on a personal level, but mostly budgeting. So what I'm going to do in this particular video is I am going to go ahead and set up the goal for this month. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. So let's do this start right. So the start date is going to be January the 7th. And the due date, and I'm noticing on this side you have two sets. So what I'm thinking is I probably just need to focus on this one side over here first, just because the way the template is set up. So the goal that I have is to pay extra payments on my loan. Okay, so that is the goal. The first, it says on this plan, the way it's set up is step one. Step one to me is to complete monthly budget. And step two is to allocate funds to bills, and remaining amount used for loan. Step three is to actually pay on loan, and I need to emphasize this. I need to do it after my payment is posted, because what I have learned is if you pay on, for this particular loan, if you pay your regular payment and then you turn around and you put extra on it, it's just going to be like you did a monthly payment, and it means the interest and everything. So I will have to make sure that once I pay my regular payment, then I take any extra, and then I'll say like maybe 2 days later, 2 or 3 days later, then I'll pay on it, and that way it'll be captured as an extra payment. And so what I want to do on this side is once I do that, I'll just, I guess, color in the progress. And so I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to use a filler, and let's just do this color because I've already done the budget. Oh, that's kind of, and I guess, and then I want to go ahead and just, because I guess if we're going here, we need to be halfway. I can say I'm halfway because I've already allocated what I should have. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this. I guess that makes sense. If it doesn't, somebody comment down below. Maybe it's something that I'm doing wrong. But like I said, this is new using this planner. But that's what I just got out of it. So I'm figuring I'm halfway to accomplishing the goal that I'm setting for January the 7th. Oh, so I guess it's monthly. So what I do is, how many days do we have in this month? Let me look at my calendar. January has what? 31 days. So we will go back to using this, and the due date would be 1/31/2022. I guess because it's monthly, I was thinking that's one big whole year, but in hindsight, since it's monthly, I would say here, once when I get that first paycheck for the month of January, this is what the goal is, starting January the 7th, and at the end of the month, I should have been done paid on this loan and have some kind of ending balance to then move on to February. Okay, so that's how I'll work this. A second goal that I may want to work on is, I don't know, to be honest, just because I don't want to put too much on myself right now, so I'm just going to stick with this. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. This is going to be the goal for the month of January, is paying down on that loan, so that way I can get that out of my hair. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, like, most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for all the support. Bye.